In this tutorial, I will explain how you can use the new delete record action in SmartSuite automations. Let's go. I'm in the inventory tracking solution where I have products and purchase orders. And each product has a status. It can be either active or discontinued. And let's imagine that for the sake of this demo, whenever the status changes from active to discontinued, I want to delete the product, but also I want to delete all the purchase orders associated with that product. Let's see how we can achieve this through automations. Now I will use when the record is updated as a trigger in the products table. So the status will be my triggering field, and it needs to change from equal to active to equal to discontinued. Okay, that's the first step. Then the second step could have been deleting a record. So this is the new action, and the way it works is that it automatically understands that it will be deleting something that comes from the trigger, because what else can it delete, right? So this could have been a very simple use case here. When the status changes, delete that product. But remember, we also wanted to delete all the related purchase orders. That's why we have to add a couple of other steps. And we'll start with the find records, and I will place it above the delete step. And what we are going to do here will be searching for the purchase orders that were linked to the product in question. Now we have to specify that the records to find should be a multiple records, because there could be multiple purchase orders. And in the conditions section, we will say that we are looking for purchase orders where the product name matches the product name from the trigger. So this is the product that became discontinued. So we are looking for the product name. Okay, so that's the setup. Now we will add one more delete record step here, but this time it will be different than the one we already had, because we are not wanting to delete a triggering record yet. But if we expand this dropdown, we now have an option to delete records that are returned by the find action, which will be our purchase orders. Okay, so we do this, and then after purchase orders are cleaned up, we will remove the actual product. Okay, now we can turn this on, add an automation, go back to our data, and let's say we will be working with the fur hat product, because fur hat, who needs that? Now we have this product here. In the purchase orders, we have two records for the fur hat. One is in processing, the other one is in suspected fraud state. Interesting. Okay, and now all we have to do is change this to be discontinued, click out, and wait until the automation triggers. Okay, so we can see that both purchase orders are now gone. And when we back here, okay, and the per head product has gone for good as well. Right, so this concludes the overview of the feature. I hope it was useful, and thanks for watching.